So climate change is often thought of as the great equalizer because most of us suffer the same consequences, be it you're a man, be it you're a woman, be it you're from South Africa, Namibia, or Zimbabwe. But this is often not so true because if you do not have enough capacity to adjust or to adapt to the impacts of climate change, you are going to be hit the most.
No one can escape the climate crisis. It will, whether we choose to accept it or not, affect every one of us. Climate change and its impacts are nothing but equal. Vulnerable communities are already suffering the consequences. Climate change has left the world in a climate emergency, as climate is now an everyday news. At the heart of climate change, there is deep injustice. This includes women, indigenous communities, and children. These groups are affected by climate impacts more than any other groups. The climate crisis has increased poverty levels and is slowly but surely increasing water shortages and energy poverty.
Climate justice is finding solutions to climate change by not only reducing emissions or conserving the environment, but also the consideration of our constitutional environmental rights in our daily situations. Climate justice links human rights and development to achieve a human-centered approach. It also safeguards the rights of the most vulnerable population groups, such as women, youth, and young children, to ensure gender equality. The impacts of climate change are different on women and men. Women are more likely to face a greater burden in times of poverty. And also, their voices must be heard and priorities supported in terms of climate justice.
Climate justice recognizes that climate change is a result of and has emerged from interlocking systems. Climate justice can be achieved if we create environmental policies that encompass human rights and gender equality. Policies should be written in collaboration with the most marginalized so that no one is left behind. The past and present are littered with injustices, but the future does not have to be. Climate justice is access to a livable and healthy environment, rural or urban.